Put your apron on. Wash your hands. Measure out your water.
Nearly there. Stop. That's it. It's just on the bottom.
Put the bread mix into the bowl.
All of it?
Yeah. Give it a little tap, make sure it's all come out.
Oh, it's flooded everywhere. Then
Now we've got to add the water. And mix. Hold on to the bowl so it doesn't slip away. Good.
feels squishy. I don't like feeling it.
Is it hot or cold?
Warm.
Warm.
I want to go wash my hands again. I'm gonna try.
Sure. Just floury at the moment. And stick to your finger. No.
Play-Doh.
Tastes like Play-Doh? Oh, don't eat it then. Right, we're going to tip this dough out.
Can I please just...
Tip this dough out, because you're going to get your hands in it again. Set. Plop. Wow, look at that. What are you doing now, Ellie?
Kneading the dough.
So you've got to stretch it out. That's it, stretch it really long. That's good. That's it, stretch it some more. Good girl. That's lovely, Ellie. Keep going. You need to knead it for a bit longer. Grease the baking tray. All over so our bread doesn't stick. Good.
I should have gone like this.
Lovely. That's it.
There's bread everywhere.
Put the bread rolls on the tray.
Get it up. Put it.
Yeah, well done. Well, aren't they pretty? What do you think?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There is.
6. Oh, see it melted.
Stick the cling film on now. That's it. And then press that down to cut it. Sure all the bread's covered. There we go. Right. Pop them in a warm place to rise.
No, the top one.
It's okay, and pop that in the sink. Oh, bit there. Pop that. What should we do now?
Wait for 40 minutes and play a jigsaw.
Yeah, let's go.
How long now, El?
It's time to check it.
Press the middle button, stop it beeping. Good girl.
No.
Have they got bigger? They've not been cooking. They're fine.
Sally.
Whoa, look how big they are. Whoa, they've definitely doubled in size. Pop them up on the top, love. Good girl. Wow. Put them in the oven to bake. Let's have a look. Okay, keep hold of it. All the way up. Good girl. Onto the top.
Just want to step together.
Is it good? Yeah.